Please switch off your mics. All those mics that are open, please switch them off. This is all being recorded. So please make sure that all the mics are switched off. Children, yesterday we did the lesson, The Little Caterpillar. So let us continue with that. Right? Open to the same page.
Same page.
Whose mic is switched on? Yatharth, please switch off your mic. Okay. Today, when I ask you all, you will gradually switch on your mics, जिनका नाम मैं लूँगी. Okay, we'll do the reading of this chapter today. Okay, Devansh, switch on your mic. Yatharth, switch on your mic. Shayan, Akshita and Nabiha, switch on your mics, please. These 5 children will switch on their mics. Devansh, Yatharth, Shayan, Akshita and Nabiha. Devansh, your camera also. Yatharth, camera also, please. Okay, now I am going to read and you 5 will read after me. Okay, पहले मैं पढ़ूंगी, उसके बाद आप पांचों चिल्ड्रन ये पढ़ेंगे मेरे. Okay, The Little Caterpillar. Please repeat after me, children. The Little Caterpillar.
The little caterpillar.
Only Shayan is reading. Yes. Yatharth. Together. Akshita, together. आप लोग को साथ में पढ़ना है. Wait, children. Okay. Stop. All of you switch off your mic. Devansh, Yatharth, Shayan, Akshita and Nabiha, switch off your mic. Actually, there's a lot of disturbance, so I'm not able to hear you. Children? Devansh? Alright. Yasir, switch off your mic. Devansh? Devansh, please switch on your mic and camera. Devansh, switch on your mic and camera, please. Devansh, start reading. देवांश शुरू से पढ़ना शुरू करो. द लिटिल कैटरपिलर.
The little caterpillar is lemon. There is little caterpillar.
There is a little caterpillar. Read, Devansh. There is a little caterpillar. It,
There is a little caterpillar.
she lives on a lemon tree. One day,
The one day
a bee comes
the bee comes.
a bee comes
The bee comes
to meet her.
to meet cup.
Let's go to the
Let's go
the
the
rose garden.
rose garden.
She says. She says.
She says.
Okay, now switch off your mic and camera, Devansh. Yatharth Shukla, switch on your mic. जहाँ से देवांश ने छोड़ा है, start reading from there. Yatharth, you are not paying attention. I have told you all, when you are in class, you should be paying attention only to me. देवांश ने कहाँ पर छोड़ा है? I wish to, put your finger जहाँ मैं पढ़ रही हूँ और आप मेरे पीछे पीछे पढ़ो. I wish to
I wish to
come
I wish to
come with you,
come with you,
but I can't.
but I can't.
I have no wings,
I have no wings.
says the little caterpillar.
The little caterpillar.
A beautiful butterfly
A beau-
a beautiful butterfly
beautiful butterfly
आगे पढ़ो, if you can read it.
comes, but
Comes by, by, comes by. All caterpillars
all caterpillars
turn into butterflies,
butterflies.
she says.
He said,
Okay, you can switch off your mic now. Shayan, switch on your mic, please.
yes, ma'am.
Read.
So it lost eats a lot, then make a cocoon and sleep some more. Finally, when you wake up, you will be a beautiful butterfly.
Very good, Shayan. Stop. Very good, Shayan. यू न्यू कहाँ पे पढ़ा जा रहा है? यू रेड वेरी नाइसली, वेरी वेरी गुड शायान। ओके अचिंत आगे पढ़ो उसके। Then she makes a cocoon. अचिंत बेटा स्टॉप, आपकी आवाज़ कट रही है, बच्चे भी नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं और मैं भी नहीं सुन पा रही हूँ। सो आई लास्ट समवन जिसकी आवाज़ आ रही है। एकाग्र एकाग्र। यस एकाग्र। So the caterpillar, start reading from So the caterpillar.
Lots of
Ekagr, wait. Even your voice is cutting a lot. It's breaking a lot, sorry. Your voice is breaking a lot. So let me ask someone else. Arsalan, switch on your mic please and your camera. Arsalan.
The caterpillar eats lots of leaves. She leaves a two. Then she make a cocoon. She lives in the cocoon. She make a after many days, she is not now a pretty butterfly. She and
Flies.
into the
Arslan, wait.
great
She flies away.
sky.
Again, Arslan, read the last sentence again. She
She
flies.
flies. She flies away into the grey blue sky.
Very good, Arslan. Very good. This is how children you all should be reading. Now, please pay attention. I am going to read the lesson again. All mics to be switched off. और आप अपने घर में मेरे बाद ज़ोर ज़ोर से पढ़ेंगे. You will read loudly, but your mics are going to be switched off. So get ready. See how I am reading. The little caterpillar. Cameras on, mics switched off, please. Yes. Read loudly at home. The little caterpillar. I want to see your lips moving. I can make out who's reading and who's not. तुम्हारे lips के movement से ही मुझे पता चल जाता है. There is a little caterpillar. She lives on a lemon tree. One day, a bee comes to meet her. Let's go to the rose garden. Akshita, please read. She says. Ashvi, read. I wish to come with you, but I can't. I have no wings, says the little caterpillar. A beautiful butterfly comes by. All caterpillars turn into butterflies, she says. So, eat lots of leaves and sleep a lot.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then make a cocoon and sleep some more. Finally, when you wake up, you will be a beautiful butterfly. Ekagr, wait please. So, the caterpillar eats lots of leaves. She sleeps a lot too.
She sleeps a lot.
Then she makes a cocoon. She wakes up after many days. She is now a pretty butterfly. She flies away into the great blue sky. Yes, Ekagr. What were you saying, child? Ekagr? Yes,
I am
Ekagr.
reading.
Yes?
Ma'am, my reading is completed.
Beta, to say this, you were interrupting me in between the class. To tell me this, you were interrupting me again and again. I have told you not to interrupt when I am talking or reading or explaining something. Please make sure you follow the instructions. And Ekagr's mother, please try to explain to him not to interrupt for such kind of things unless it's a query. Children, most of you I could not see on camera because maybe there is some network problem. But this recording is going to be on the website. So if you want to read, if you want to practice reading, you can take the recording's help and practice reading. I hope you all are reading because we are going to have a reading and recitation exam also. Right? So please ensure that you are following when I say read. Some of you are reading nicely, some like Arsalan, Shayan, Myra, Ekagr, Vidushi, Nishkar, Ishanvi. You people are reading nicely. Hanifa, Ayansh, you all are reading nicely. But some of you are reading very badly. So you, and Akshat also reads nicely. Varnika also. Achint also. Varonika, sorry. Achint also. So you all have to practice your reading. Now take a break. We will meet again in the last period with our social studies copies, children.